How to reinstall and make a bootable USB for Windows. You will need at least one USB of 8 GB size. Plug your USB. Open Google and search Media Creation Tools. Click on this link. Click Download Now and open the downloaded file. After file is opened, click Yes. Accept the software license. Click Create Installation Media and Next. Select your language, edition, architecture and click Next. Choose your media to use. Select USB flash drive and click Next. Click Next. Wait until you download it and click Finish. This is your bootable USB file after installing Windows ISO. Shut down your laptop to reinstall Windows. Plug your bootable USB. Press F2 multiple times to enter BIOS utility. Click Boot menu. Click your bootable USB. Select your language and click Next. Install now. If you have product key, enter here. If digital license, click I don't have product key. Click Windows 10 Pro and Next. Click Accept and click Next. Select Custom Install Windows Only. Click Drive 1 Partition 3. Now your files is getting ready for installation. Now your laptop is activated on Windows 10 Pro. Join our Telegram channel. Link is in the bio. Follow Computer Geeks for more tips and tricks.